This is SKMDK back with another video, and today we have something amazing. We are unboxing the, let's wait for it, Galaxy Z Fold 2. I don't know whether you want to say Z or Z, but anyway, this is the best Samsung phone out there currently. So, without wasting any time, let us get into this unboxing and see what is in this glorious box. I already love the box, and I think the phone will actually be quite cool also. So, I think let us first look at the boxing itself. I think it's quite cool. The nice Z color there. Now, I would probably think that also tells you the color. So I got the Mystic Bronze. You can see the color of the Z or the Z is already the same color as the phone. And on the side it's written Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let us unbox it. So it's a standard way of just taking this out. And for me, what we see next is quite beautiful. I like this sort of butterfly sort of pattern, and I think, well, looking at the adverts, it's to sort of show the sort of mechanism of opening or folding open. So let us look at that. So you do this, and for me that is quite cool. And then we're greeted with this Samsung packaging. I think I'll just first put everything to the side. We get this sort of note that says change the shape of the future, introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 5G. I don't have time to read all of that. And then we are greeted with the phone itself and with some care instructions, and I think this is quite important to actually read through, and I'll definitely read through and make sure I follow them, because this is quite a futuristic phone. So this sort of hinge and the screen inside needs some extra care. It's not just a typical phone. Let's just continue looking at what's in the box. And then you get another note that talks about the Galaxy Z Premium Service, and I think this is to do with accidental damage protection for the first year, which is quite a nice touch from Samsung. Really appreciate that. And then we have the super fast charging adapter, which is, there's a USB Type-C port. And for me, this, well, in the age that we're in now, Apple doesn't actually include this anymore. I think this is quite appreciated nowadays. But hopefully Samsung doesn't jump to that also. So I think it's not quite a good move. But anyway, we're here to talk about this phone. And then we also have the AKG, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, actually, no, this is the USB Type-C cable. You can just open it. There. See, so it's Type-C to Type-C, and I think it's obvious just because the charging port is also Type-C. And even though I sometimes feel like this sort of assumes that everyone's laptop, well, I mean, when you now do data transfers, allows a Type-C cable, so it's sort of on limited end, but I guess you have to move with the times. And then we have the AKG headsets, which I've never tested them before, but I believe they're quite cool and quite they produce such a good sound. So it's another good touch from Samsung. I'm actually wondering, is this Type-C? Oh, okay. We have, I think, the earbuds, and yes, it's Type-C, which I guess would only make sense because I believe there is no headphone jack, because that's the sort of new move that everyone is taking. And I believe that, oh, actually, oh, I think that's it. There's really nothing, probably just a separator on the box. And yeah, hopefully that's it. So I think let us now look at the phone itself. Now, the favorite part of any unboxing, when you're unwrapping the covering. That sound just reminds you of, or it just brings a smile to you that you're opening a new phone. So let us keep silent and do that nicely. Listen to that. Yes. Oh man, it's quite cool. Okay, so this is the screen when it's unfolded, when the device is unfolded. When it's folded, this is the smaller screen with this amazing hinge on the side, and I believe which is a big improvement from the first Fold, even though I never used it, but you could hear from reports that it had issues. So I mean, I really love the fact that Samsung didn't give up on the Fold but decided to improve. And we have camera bump here with 3 cameras, and yeah, I guess it will be very interesting to see how good those cameras are. Then on the side we have the power button with a volume rocker. We have the SIM tray. We have speakers on the side. I think there's a microphone on the bottom with the type C. I think another microphone, which is quite cool. Guess then the calls will be quite good. And another stereo speaker. So I think that's it for today. I think that's a front-facing camera. And it's just quite interesting that there's 2 front-facing cameras, because there's one for when the device is folded and one when it's unfolded, which I think is quite a good touch, because then you can also take selfies with the unfolded screen. So I think that's it for today from me, and I would say look out for the full review. I'll be playing around with this device, and yeah, while at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and yeah, any comment is actually quite good because it helps me to improve. So yeah, any comment is welcome. So see you in the next video. Cheers.